In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on and use AutoMix here on an iPhone. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to respond to every single comment, so just ask it down there and you'll be good to go. But first things first, in order to do this, you do need to understand there is one requirement, and that is just being updated to iOS 26 or onwards. AutoMix is a new feature that was introduced within iOS 26, so if you don't have iOS 26, this is not going to work. To update though, go to Settings and then scroll down into General and then select Software Update and just make sure that you are on iOS 26 or future versions. Now from here, stay on your Settings app, and what you're going to want to do is select the little search button down at the very bottom and type in music just like so, and then select the music app. Now, from the music app settings, scroll down and you'll actually see an option called audio. Look specifically for the song transitions option here and select it and make sure it's turned on. And from here, you just need to select auto mix. Now, keep in mind, once again, auto mix does require an active Apple Music subscription. So if you don't have Apple Music, the option is going to appear grayed out and it's not going to work at all. Yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. You may need to open up Apple Music and find a playlist or album, and it might just give you like a heads up that AutoMix is on when you do that. And you may need to confirm to activate it the first time, but after you doing that, you'll be good to go. Yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Before you do leave this video, though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.